four-wheel drive short course. Amen. Derek, Ryan, and Troy. All right. Marshall's ready. Drivers less than 5 on the tone. Nice. Looks like Ryan's out front now. Ryan rolls it. Catching the pipe. Derek. All right. Now we got Ryan out front. Derek rear-ending him. Look out, Tom. They're both rolling it, getting into each other. It's like Ryan's pulling away, but Derek's right there. Ryan catching the tube. Derek's pulling away. Leader going down the straight. Still plenty of time left. Derek rolling it. All right, Super Marshall. Derek regaining first. Pulling away from Ryan. Going into Blue Groove corner. Left. Cheating. That's what you get for cheating. Derek, you should wait and make this interesting. Wow. If you don't like that corner, just take it out, go over the tubes. Yep, there you go. Ooh, 16.6. Fast lap by Ryan, that lap. 2 minutes left. There you go. It's like Ryan's catching Derek, Derek catching the tube. Ryan resets the fast lap of a 12.8. Oh, see if he can reset this. Oh, no. Ryan's 3.4 back from Derek. Now he's way ahead. 12-7. Got a minute 15 left in this. Ryan catching Derek. 12-7. Little bashing going on out there. That's inappropriate, guys.
1 minute left.
Instant karma. Alright, got 48 seconds left, drivers. Up next we have Stock Trucks, Amen, Phil, Mitchell, Nathan, Zane, Troy, Isaac, Jake, and Corey. 10 seconds, got Derek out front, followed by Ryan. Leader in the orange and white and black. Going down the straight.
Car 1 is done.
You're done. You're done. Right.
Car 2 is done.
Derek took that one, followed by Ryan.